Me and Vegas are trying to do a 13-mile day over this mountain in Maine. It's another difficult day here, just another. The rain has stopped, which is good. We're thankful for that. But the trail is mud and water, and you know, it's sucking in my foot, and I gotta try to pull it out. And, this trail is just endless. Hello, everyone. Today I took a day off, and I'm at the Human Nature Hostel here in Maine, and it's a beautiful place. And guess what? Me and Vegas are the only people here. We have the whole place to ourselves. Look how beautiful this place is. Guess what the name of my bunk is? Yeah, you got it. I got the New Jersey bunk. Just to update on my sleeping situation, I had to move states. I got an email saying New Jersey was going to tax me for sleeping in this bunk. So I said, the hell with that. So I moved to my second home state, Virginia. And Virginia's got an outlet, so I can charge everything right here in my bed. So just want to update you guys on that. Hey everyone, just a quick shout out. I just wanted to say goodbye to our good friend Doogie. He shuttled us all through a good part of Maine, and he was very accommodating, and he helped me out a lot personally, and he's a friend of mine now. And we have his dog here, Kevin?
Mr. Kevin, he's a good boy.
So yeah, it's just a shout out to Doogie. We're gonna miss you, brother.
All right, you
And we're gonna head north, and
trails,
we
you
got
bet.
your number and everything if we come back.
You got it.
All right,
Always
thank
here
you.
to help.
Yeah, thank you. Well, here we go again. More big storms. And I'm caught going uphill again. So I won't have much time to record much more, because once the phone gets wet, I can't record. And here comes the rain. So reach out to you soon. Well, here we are at a motel in Rangeley, Maine. And it is downpouring. Me and Vegas got off trail, and we're gonna have to deal with this. Good morning, everyone. It's been a while since I did some videotaping. It's just we've been receiving too much rain. We got pounded yesterday on the trail, but I came across a trailhead parking lot, and I hitched into town. Actually stayed in a motel last night, but got a ride right back, get back on trail. But the sun is out today, so that's really good news. I think the rain's been really taking a toll on my psyche. I'm so burnt out, and I just want to get this trail done now so bad. I got about probably like 220 miles more, but I'm just so burnt, man. My body's like falling apart, and I don't know, the rain just won't stop. As you can see behind me, this is probably like a little gentle stream a few days ago, but it's raging now. All the rivers are going to be raging now, so when we have to do river crossings, they're going to be quite hectic, to say the least. But I'll try to get some more videos for you today and download one. So talk to you guys soon. Got to go up that one next. Got some pretty big climbs today in Maine. It's a little hazy out, but we are way up there in the sky. Let's try to get out of this wind. It is really windy, but we're doing a shorter day today. We're doing 11 miles today, but It's a shorter day, but it's hard terrain, so it's really not. I got to go all the way up and over that thing there. Oh boy. I'm a tired man. Two mountains right there, up and over, and now this one, up and over. Now I gotta go down for 1.5 miles to the lean-to. It's another 360-degree view from me. Saddleback Junior or something like that. It wasn't very junior. It was very rocky coming up, and it's very rocky coming down. We've got 1.5 miles to go to the lean-to, and it's going to be very difficult, this 1.5 miles. It's like cliffy and rocky. It's just going to take me forever, but nice view up here. So I'll talk to you. This is our campsite for the night.
Hey. Are you facing me or are you facing you?
It's facing you.
Hey.
Good morning to you from the great state of Maine. Well, pretty morning out today. As you can see, Maine is a pretty state, but boy, we are suffering on the terrain. It is hard. We got a hard 14 miles today. This is gonna be just dreading it. But we have a major milestone coming up today, so stay tuned for that.
We gotta cross this son of a bitch.
Great time here in the Maine wilderness. We are 6 miles away from a milestone. Stay tuned to see. All right, we're coming up on a major milestone for me in Vegas, and it's major. Hang on one second, I gotta turn around. We got Vegas there. I gotta.
In the last mile, we were partying like it's mile 1999, and now we got M2K, mile 2000.
Yeah. And there it is. 2,000 miles, baby.
2,000 freaking miles through this.
Gosh. Get in there. Get it. Yeah. It's unbelievable. So the next step we take north, we are under 200 miles to the end.